Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Balance token. Ticker symbol is EPT. Now this token here is getting a very big central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, the Balance token, Balance is the next-gen AI Web3 protocol and framework for social and gaming, seamlessly integrating AI technology, blockchain technology, and decentralized applications by combining AI agents, intelligent adaptive digital companions, and key nodes, which govern and secure the network. Balance enables a highly interactive, decentralized ecosystem for entertainment, productivity, and beyond. Now, there is a total supply of 10 billion EPT tokens. It is on the Binance Smart Chain. You can find this token on BSC Scan. No holders yet because it's not available anywhere yet. 18 decimal places on this token with a max total supply 9,499,999,974 tokens. Now, this token, it was just announced, is going to be listed all over the place, but one very big central exchange listing says it's going to be paired with USDT and USDC, and the listing time and date is April 21st, 12 o'clock UTC time. So 12 o'clock UTC time for USDT and 12:20 UTC time for USDC for you USDC users. But yeah, so you'll be able to get this token off of Mexc Global April 21st. So if you don't have an Mexc Global account and you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search EPT, the ticker symbol, on the 21st, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here is also being listed on LBank. It's being listed on BingX, Mexc Global, KuCoin, Bybit. It's being listed all over the place, all the big central exchanges here. There's even a Binance. It says it'll be listed on Binance. Wow, tons of central exchange listings. So go check out this project. I'm going to put their Twitter up right in the corner of the screen here. But what is it all about? Welcome to Balance, AI-focused Web3 user experience infrastructure. So the products, they have Balance AI. In today's market, AI agents primarily exist as character-based chatbots, offering users interactions with predefined personalities. However, with the advent of Web3, ePal is setting out to redefine this landscape, fostering deeper and more dynamic interactions between AI bots and users. Our vision extends beyond mere conversation, incorporating entertainment, learning, and work to create a truly multidimensional engagement experience. They have deep integration for AI agents with Web3, so ePal leverages the blockchain framework to deepen the connection between AI agents and users. Moving beyond traditional conversational models with Balance AI, users can easily create personalized AI agents by inputting custom prompts, strategies, and preferences. These agents are designed to thrive across multiple domains, battling, competing, and cooperating in games and engaging in other areas such as interactive entertainment, learning, and work, enhancing the user experience across the board. Also, interactive entertainment and reward mechanisms. As a global leader in gaming companionship, ePal brings unparalleled expertise in interactive entertainment. The first deployment of Balance AI focuses on gaming, enabling users to partner with AI ePals for battling and collaboration. To incentivize performance, we've implemented a reward system. AI ePals that excel in performance or achieve high user satisfaction will receive additional liquidity support and platform incentives. High-scoring AI ePals will be regularly rewarded, increasing their market value and liquidity, further driving the ecosystem, the growth of the ePal ecosystem. So it says automated deployment and earnings allocation with Balance Protocol. All AI ePals are automatically deployed through Balance's Fans protocol, allowing users to explore and pay for the services of their preferred AI agents. Earned revenue is intelligently shared among these who have contributed to creating them. The Balance platform and large model providers based on the protocol's rules. This approach significantly enriches the supply of AI ePals, reduces acquisition costs, increases profit margins, and improves the user experience. With Balance AI, users can create AI ePals and earn income, enjoying both creative freedom and financial benefits. Web3 enabled creative freedom and personalization. So lastly, it says currently ePals proprietary models have introduced several AI ePals, achieving a 5% penetration rate on the platform. However, existing AI agents often cater to niche audiences, leaving unmet demand for personalized experiences. Web3's openness empowers users with greater creative freedom. Decentralized mechanisms enable users to design and customize AI ePals, enriching their personalities, service features, and more. This diversity fuels the growth of AI ePals variations, providing personalized and multi-layer services to meet a diverse user's needs. So they have the application layer, the platform layer, protocol layer, token layer, and infra layer. And they have the EPT token, which is coming soon. There is a token allocation pie chart. 5% goes to liquidity, 5% advisors, 15% ecosystem, 25% incentive pool and marketing, 15% team, 25% node rewards, 5% private round 1, and 5% private round 2. And this token will be listed on the 21st on a whole bunch of very big central exchanges, including Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.